So good evening everyone. This is Vihans from Scody Beans and this is my daughter Smera. Today we'll be holding a very interesting and interactive sports session, a fitness session for everyone. For today's class, I would request all of you to go and run inside your houses or get a ball, get a football for the props. Hope the voice and everything is clear. If it's not clear, please do message me. In today's class, the class is divided into four sections. The class is divided into four sections. So first we will start with warm up. Then we will do some fitness drills which will help in increasing your stamina. And then we will play a fun game. For fun game, I would request you should get your father or mother or an elder brother involved with you. It will be fun and it will test their strength also. And as a family, we all will become fit. And then at the end, we will do some uh, basic core exercises. We will use a ball to do those exercises. And then we will do a cool down session. And then at the end of the session, if you have any questions, we can take these questions. We will be live on Catch Up Moms on every alternate Saturdays, and the sessions will every alternate Sundays, and the sessions will start at 4:30. So let's start the session. Hope you guys are all ready and excited. We'll start the session with first warm up. Let's all rotate our hands round and round. Let's rotate our hands. Rotate our hands. Rotate the hands. Rotate the hands round and round. Do it 10 times. Smera will help you and show you how to do these things. All these exercises are for all age groups from 3 years onwards to even your parents and fathers and can do it, and you can increase the intensity of these exercises and decrease the intensity as per your requirement, and slowly and steadily if you will do these exercises regularly you will see your stamina will increase. Smera, change the direction now. Now change the direction. Do it 20 times. Do it 20 times. It all these exercises, warm up exercises, will help you in opening your muscles, and then we'll start the fitness drills. Okay, good. Now, Smera, rotate your neck. Smera, rotate your neck. Rotate your neck. Rotate your neck. Rotate your neck, everybody, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Rotate your neck clockwise and anti-clockwise. Very good. Do 10 rounds of each, clockwise, and 10 rounds of anti-clockwise. We are done? Okay, very good. Now, do your arms straight and rotate your wrist. Rotate your wrist. Rotate your wrist. Again, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay? Keep your arms straight. Keep your arms straight. Don't bend it. Keep your arms straight. Rotate it clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay? Done? Very good. Now join your knees. Join your knees and rotate your knees. Again, rotate your knees clockwise and anti-clockwise. Do it slowly, slowly, slowly. Don't do these exercises fast. It's not a race. We are just doing a warm up. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay? We are done? Yes. Okay, very good. Now the last one. Put your arms on the shoulders and rotate. Again. Again 10 times clockwise and anti-clockwise. 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. Done? Okay. Now we'll start the fitness drill. Before we start it, if you all want to take a short water break, please run and have a sip of water. Hope you have your mats also with you. Take a sip of water. We will start with today we will do three exercises. These are very basic exercises, but very good to increase your stamina, to increase your metabolism, and it will make you much more healthier. First, we will do jumping jacks. We will increase the numbers slowly and steadily. In first round, for every exercises, we will do 3 sets. 3 sets. First set, we will do 20 times. Second set, we will do 30 times. And third set, we will do 40 times. So let's start first with jumping jacks. Smera will show you once, 4 times, and then we will start the set properly. Smera, show them how to do jumping jacks. Open your legs and clap up. Open your legs and clap up. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, Smera, stop. Now, hope it is clear. You have to. Okay, now we will do the first set. We will do 20 times. Okay, let's start, Smera. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Keep your mouth closed. Okay, do it 20 times. 20 times. Don't forget to breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. And keep your mouth closed. Okay, keep your mouth closed. Very good, Smera. Excellent. Buck up, buck up. Excellent, Smera. Excellent. You have to do 20 times. Very good. Now relax. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we will start the another round 30 times. Now we have to do 30 times. Come on, let's start, Smera. 30 times. 30 times. Come on, buck up everyone. Buck up, buck up. Very good. Get your brother, get your friends online if you want to do these. These exercises are very good, beneficial. We all have been locked down since a long time. It is very good to stay fit. If you will follow these exercises, then we will do many interactive sessions and various exercises every Sunday. Done, Smera? Okay, again, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Very good. Now last set. Last set. Buck up. Don't give up, guys. We have to do now 40 times. 40 times. Come on. Last set, Smera. 40. See how she's opening her legs and then clap. Open, 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 clap. Very good, Smera. Excellent. Buck up, Smera. Buck up. Very good, Smera. Buck up. Excellent. 40. Breathe in, breathe out. Don't forget to breathe in and out. Okay? Very good, Smera. 40. Come on, guys. Don't get tired. Buck up, guys. Buck up, buck up. Come on, buck up, buck up. Buck up, Smera. 40. Very good, Smera. Done? Okay. Excellent, guys. Now shake your legs. Breathe in, breathe out. Shake your legs. Shake your legs. Shake your legs. Take a short break. Have a sip of water. We will be giving frequent water breaks. It is very good to drink water between your exercises. Your body gets hydrated with that. If you want to eat anything before starting the exercise, prefer having some fruits or a banana is the best. One banana 15 minutes before the class is an excellent option. Okay. Now we will do squats. We will do squats. We will open our legs. I will show you the side pose. Smera will show you the front pose. See my side pose and Smera will show you the front pose. Keep your hands straight. Open your legs. Your legs should be shoulders apart. Your legs should be as apart as to your shoulders. Okay? These should be shoulders apart. Open your legs. Keep your back straight and down. Okay? And then up, down, and hold, and up, and down. Okay? And up. Okay? Try, you have to sit as if you are sitting on a chair. Take this back, down. It should not be like this. Your knees will not come forward. It will go back, down, and up. And keep your back straight. Your back should be straight. You should not bend forward. And keep your feet on the floor flat. Okay? Again, we will do 3 sets. First set 20 times. Come on, Smera, let's start. 20. Down and up. Do it slowly, very slowly. This exercise is very good for your legs for your thighs and for your calves. It will strengthen your legs. Legs is very important part of your body. If your legs are strong, then your whole body will be strong. Come on, Smera. 20 times. Buck up, everyone. Buck up. 20 times. 20 times. Come on, Smera. Buck up. Very good. Excellent, Smera. Excellent. How many times, Smera? 18. Very good. Last one. 20. Very good, Smera. Excellent. Now again take a break. Shake your legs. Shake your legs. Shake your arms. Shake your legs. Shake your arms. Okay. Now we will do the second set. Now 30 times. Come on, Smera. Start. 1, 2. Do it slowly. Remember, you have to do it slowly. 3. How many? 3. 4. Keep your back straight. Your back should be straight and your knees will not come forward. You have to sit as if you are sitting on a chair. 6. Very good. 7. 8. 9. Very good, Smira. 10. 11. Keep your knees back, Smira. Come on, come on. 12. Very good. 13. 14. Very good, Smira. 15. 16. 17. Come on, try. Keep your knee back. 18. 19. Come on, everyone. Buck up. 20. 21. Very good. 22. If you are getting tired, slow down, shake your legs, and then again let's start. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. And last one, 30. Very good, Smera. Excellent. Shake your legs, guys. Shake your legs. Shake your legs. You want to have a sip of water, Smera? Have a sip of water. Okay, now the last round. Now we have to do 40 times. Okay? Come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, you want to take a break? Everyone, shake your legs. Shake your legs. Now again, let's start. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Come on, guys, buck up. 28. Last 12, 29, 30. You want to take a break? Come on, shake your legs. Shake your legs. Take a breathe in. And last 10, come on. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Come on, very good, everyone. Buck up, buck up. Come on, let's have a sip of water, everyone. Have a sip of water. Okay, now the last exercise, the fitness exercise. I'll just have a sip of water. High knees. We will do high knees. Your target is to raise your knee above the waist. You have to raise your knee above the waist. Okay? Try to do like this. If you will move your hands, it will give you force. Okay? This is high knees. Okay? Now again we will do 3 rounds of this. We will do 15, 25 and 30. Okay? Let's start. We will do even ones. We will do 16 and 32 and 40. Come on, Smira, first round, 16 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, everyone, buck up. Very good, done. Very good. That was quick, Smira. That was quick. Breathe in, everyone. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now, next one. We'll do 30 times, 32 times. Come on, we'll double it. Come on, Smira, let's start. Very good. Come on, buck up, Smira. Buck up, buck up. Buck up, everyone. Buck up, buck up, buck up, buck up, buck up. Come on, everyone. Don't give up. Come on, buck up, buck up. Very good, Smira. Buck up. Come on, everyone. Hope everyone is doing fine. If you have any questions, I will take at the end of the session. Now we'll do the last round. We have to do 40 times. Come on, let's start. Let's start. 40, 40 times. Come on, everyone. Buck up, buck up. Come on, buck up, Smira. Buck up. Come on, more higher, Smira. Higher, higher. Very good, Smira. Higher, higher, higher. Excellent, excellent. Very good, Smira. Excellent, everyone. Everyone, clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Okay, we finished 2 sections of our class. If you want to have a sip of water, you have a sip of water. And for the next drill, call your father or mother. He will help you. It's a very fun drill. What you have to do, we will show you what we have to do. Okay, Smira, ready? Okay. Now what you have to do, ask your father. We will test your dad's fitness also. Your dad has to do a push-up, go down. Smira will jump from my top and then she will go below my body. Okay? Hope you all can see me. Okay? It's going to be fun. We will do it 10 times. We will do 3 times. Okay? Come on, let's start, Smira. 1 jump. Come on, everyone. Buck up. It's a fun exercise and a very good drill. Come on. 2. Come on. Very good, Smira. 3. Come on. Buck up, Smira. 4. Come on, everyone. Buck up. Don't give up. 5. Very good, Smira. Very good. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. Come on. Hope your dad or mom hasn't given up. Come on. Last one. 10. Very good. Excellent, Smira. Excellent. Very good. Clap for your father. Do a high five. Very good. Come on. Very good. Everyone, buck up. Take a rest and then we'll start the another round. We will do the same exercise one more time. Okay, Smira, ready?
Yes.
Hope you are not tired, Smira?
No.
Okay, let's go. We will start again. Come on, guys, come on. 1. Make a higher mountain, and then push up. 2. Very good, Smira, very good. and 3. It is an amazing thing to do an exercise together as a family. The whole family gets fit. 4. Very good, Smera. Very good. 5. Very good. Very good. Very good. 6. Excellent, Smera. 7. Come on, 7th one, Smera. 7th one. Last 3. 8. Excellent, Smera. 9. Very good. Last one. Last one. Last one. And 10. Excellent. Very good, Smera. Very good. High five. Okay, everyone. Take a break and have a sip of water. Okay, hope you enjoyed this drill. Hope everything was fine till now. You are not tired. Now we need a ball. We will do some basic core exercises with a ball. These are very simple exercises. So Smira, which one will you do first? Okay. So what you have to do, I will show you the side one. Lie down, have a mat if you want. If you are not comfortable on the floor, lie down on the mat. Keep your legs like this. Okay, don't joint your legs. See, don't joint it. Keep it like this. Hold the ball and try to pass the ball like this. Do it 20 times or 15 times. Try to do it as fast as possible. If you can, first do it slowly. First gain some momentum and try to get a ball which is of your size. If you can't hold a bigger ball, then get a smaller ball. Okay, like this. Do it 15 times. This exercise is very good for your stomach and it also improves your agility. Come on, Smira, let's try. Come on, Smira, do it 15 times. Come on, everyone, back up. Do it slowly and do it 15 times. Slowly, slowly, open your legs a little bit. Very good. Your knee also. Very good. Very good. 15 times. Very good, Smira. Back up, back up. Slowly, slowly, control the ball. This exercise improves the concentration also. Overall, also if you are into fitness, your concentration level improves a lot and at the end, it helps you in concentrating in your studies also. Come on, Smira. Done 15? Okay, very good everyone. Clap for yourself. Very good. Do a high five. Excellent. Rest for few seconds. Take a breath. Take a breath. If you want to stand up, stand up. Move your shoulders, move your hands, and then again start the next round. Come on, Smira, lie down, and then we'll start one more round. Come on. Very good, Smira. Come on, let's go. Again. Come on, come on. Again 15 times. Slowly, Smira, slowly. 15 times. Hold it. Hold it. Come on. Very good, Smira. Back up. Excellent, Smira. Excellent. Very good. Back up, back up. 15 times. 1, 5, 15 times. 1, 5, 15 times. Come on, Smira. Back up, back up. Do it slowly. Do it slowly. Once you gain a momentum, then only increase the speed. Don't rush up things. In fitness, you should not rush up things. If you do slowly, then you get more benefits. Come on, back up, Smera, back up. Try to control, try to control. Very good, Smera, back up. Done. Very good. Excellent, excellent, Smera. Very good, very good. Now have a sip of water and we'll start the next drill. Okay, now in the next drill, what you have to do is lie down, ask your papa or your brother to stand half on your feet. half on your feet, and you lie down, get up, hold the ball, go down, keep the ball back, and then get up and give it back and go down. And again, take, go back, touch the floor at the back and give it back. And then go down and again take the ball, go back and give the ball and back. Okay? Hope you got it. Now Smira will show you and we will do it again 15 times. We will do 2 sets. 2 sets 15 times. Sit like this. Sit like this. Sit like this and stand on Smira's feet half. Don't put any pressure. And now hold the ball. Smira will come up. Very good. Go back, touch, and then give it back. Go back, come up, 2. Very good. Very good. Again, go back, come up, 3. Excellent, Smira. 4. Okay. 4. Don't miss your count. Don't miss your count. 5. Very good, Smira. 6. Come on, guys. Buck up, guys. 7. Very good. Excellent, excellent. 8. Come on, Smira. Don't give up. 9. Control your legs. And 10. Come on. 5 more. 11. Very good. 12. Excellent. 13. 14. Help your child. Posture is very important. Last one, Smira. And 15. Very good. Excellent, Smira. High five. Very good. Take a break. Take a break. Take deep breathe ins and breathe out. You want to have a sip of water? Please have a sip of water. Last few exercises left. You want to start another round? Okay, let's go. We'll start the next round. Come on. Again 15 times. If you want to increase the numbers, you can increase at your home. 1, 2. Come on, buck up. 3. Very good, everyone. Come on, buck up, everyone. Buck up. 4. 5. 6. Come on, Smira. Buck up. Don't give up. 7. Come on, Smira. 8. 7 more left. 9. 10. Okay, come on, Smira. Buck up, Smira. 11. Last 4. Very good, Smira. Buck up. 12. Come on, everyone. Buck up, everyone. Buck up. Excellent. Come on, everyone. 13. Come on, guys. Come on. Don't give up. 14. Very good, Smira. Last one. Don't give up. And 15. Very good, Smira. Excellent. Very good. High five. Excellent, guys. Take a break and have a sip of water. Don't drink too much of water. Just take one sips. Please take one sip. Only one sips. Now we'll do last 2 exercises. We will just cool down for some time so that you cool down the muscles, that you cool down your body. Let's sit on the floor. Open your legs, stretch and try to hold your feet and bend forward. Do one time there, hold it for some time. Hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Don't bend your knees. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now change direction. Again, 10. If your child is not able to do, if you can help your child, just push from the back. Push from the back. Help him or her to touch his or her forehead to the knee. You just push gently. Okay, Smira. Change the direction. Now center. Bend in the center. Very good. Again, do it for 10 seconds. 10. Don't bend your knees. Keep your knees straight. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Once more on the other side, Smira. Left side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Change direction. Come on, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good. Excellent. Now on center. Center. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now Smira, take legs forward and just shake your legs. 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 Okay, now the last drill. Do make the butterfly. Make a butterfly. Hold it from here and flap, 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 flap. Do it 30, 40 times. Everyone do it 30, 40 times. Do it 30 or 40 times. Flap. Flap your legs and don't forget to breathe in, breathe out. 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 Okay, done, Smira? Okay, again, legs forward. Shake your legs. Shake your legs. And last one. This is the last set for the butterfly. Breathe in. Come on. Again 30, 40 times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good, Smira. Come on, guys. Buck up. Hope you all enjoyed the class. This was the last exercise. Hope you all enjoyed the class. We will be doing all these exercises every alternate Sundays at 4:30 on Catch Up Moms. The session will be live. If you have any questions or answers, you can ask. We are here for another 10 minutes and we can answer your questions and answers. Sporty Beans is basically a multi-sport training school. So we have branches all across India, and currently we are from Gurgaon center. Otherwise, we have centers all across Delhi and NCR. In Gurgaon, the center is in Excelsior American School, but of course, because of the coronavirus, all our ground classes on the ground are closed. So that's why we have been doing fitness drills online since long. It's been now 3 months we've been doing these classes, and now we just started these sessions on Catch Up Moms also. Hope you all enjoyed these sessions and classes. So what Sporty Beans basically does is it's a multi-sport training school, and we teach in multiple sports, and then we gradually ball games. So basically we teach in ball games, and we gradually move from ball games from 9 sports to 4 sports and then towards specialization. Currently, we are doing regular classes online only on Zoom, and the batches are formed as per the age group. So, if anyone is interested, they can go on our page at the rate Sporty Beans Gurugram, and they can ping me if you are interested to join regular classes. I can share the schedule with you accordingly, and then you can have a regular schedule of fitness on a regular basis. So the classes every Sunday we'll be holding classes like this only. As I had told before, also we always start with warm up. Warm up is a very important part of our fitness drills, and then since we are home, so fitness is a very important thing. What this fitness does is uh, you will not realize if you are fit and if you have good stamina, then you can play any sport. So fitness and stamina building is very important, and by doing these various kinds of exercises you increase the mobility, your agility increases, your responsiveness increases, and in a way you can become a very good football player or a cricket player or a tennis player. So the basic exercise, the base of all the sports is same. So next Sunday also we will be doing drills like this. We will do some different set of drills, and in the middle we will play fun games. So I like the whole family to join and enjoy the session so that the whole family becomes fit. It's a teamwork, and as a family we enjoy it also a lot. Me and Smira does a lot of exercises like this. So next Sunday we will again play some fun drills with you, and then at the end we do some stretching, a mix of stretching and core exercises and yoga drills. Smira, lately, because of all this, Smira has also become a sports captain for her school. She goes to Sun City School. So she also takes online sessions of her in her school every day in the morning for 10-15 minutes. And then they start the regular school after that. So I think we've come to an end to the for the session.